Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. We will study mobility and resistivity in this video. We will start with mobility. Mobility is represented by mu. Mobility represents how easily electrons and holes move within the crystal lattice. So we can define mobility, the ease with which carriers can move within the crystal lattice. Now we will derive the equation for mobility. Let it is a N-type semiconductor. It has electrons as majority charge carriers. If we do not connect this electric field, they are moving randomly in the crystal lattice. Then if we connect this electric field across this N-type semiconductor, these electrons started to move towards the positive terminal of the battery. So this electric field makes these electrons to drift towards the positive terminal of the battery. So they will have some drift velocity, and this drift velocity is directly proportional to this steady electric field. So we can say this drift velocity is directly proportional to electric field. So drift velocity is equals to mobility into electric field. This mobility is proportionally constant. So mobility of electrons is equals to drift velocity upon electric field. And the unit of mobility is equals to square meter per volt second. I will explain you resistivity. Resistivity is represented by rho. Actually, resistivity opposes the flow of current through the material. So we can define it. It is the property of a material which measures how strongly the material opposes the flow of current at a particular temperature. It is highly temperature dependent, because if we increase the temperature of the material, the resistivity of that material decreases. Now we will derive the equation for resistivity. To derive the equation for current density. J is the current density. This is the current through the material, and this is the cross section of that material. Let it is a conductor having length L and having cross sectional area A. When we connect this electric field through this conductor, electrons move or drifted towards the positive terminal of the battery and constitute the current. The equation for this current can be written as all electrons have charge on them. So charge on n number of electrons moving with drift velocity v and crossing this plane P of cross-sectional area A. So equation for current through this material is QnVA. When we divide this equation through this cross-sectional area, we get current density. So current density will be equal to QnV. Now we will put the value of this drift velocity in this equation. The equation for current density now becomes Q and mu E. This part Q and mu constitute conductivity. So current density equals to conductivity into electric field. We know conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. This conductivity is equals to Q and mu. Now we know conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity, and also resistivity is the reciprocal of conductivity. So resistivity equals to 1 upon conductivity, Q and mu. So this is the final equation of resistivity. I hope you understand the concept. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.